How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? In today's video, we're going to put the SPL rear traction arms on the 300ZX twin turbo. So they came in yesterday, and today's the day that they're going to go on the 300ZX twin turbo. So stay tuned, and here we go. So I guess in today's video, we're going to have a little bit of a helper. Oh, there he goes. Obviously, the first step is getting the tire off so we can get to the rear traction arm. As you can see right here, we have the OEM ones. So first there is a bolt here, sorry, and a bolt back here. This one's gonna be a little bit of a pain to get to. I think we're gonna have to come up from the back side. Maybe not, but we're gonna see if we can pop that one out so we can get the whole traction arm out. So let's do this. So one quick thing before we continue on with the video, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. If you want to receive notifications, click the bell. So we're coming up on 500 subscribers, which means a $50 giveaway to the person with the comment with the most likes or comments below it. So make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to the channel for more. If you do have the comment with the most comments and you're not subscribed, you don't win. So let's get back to the video. Brick wall, as right here is the gas tank filler tube on the 2+0. All the videos online, it looks like everybody's doing this on the 2+2, which the gas filler be on this side since it's behind the tire. So that makes that a little bit more difficult. So I think what I'm gonna have to do is cut this bolt, because this comes with the new one comes with a new one. And I'm still trying my best to get this bolt out because of all the space. I took this off. I'm gonna replace in a later video anyway. So right now we're at a standstill. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. I'm just trying to get this bolt out, and in a little while I'm just gonna flop this off because I don't feel comfortable pulling the filler tube out of the gas tank. So I was able to get this off after the bolt came out, and now all I have left is to pretty much cut this bolt back here. The other side is gonna be easy because there is no filler tube. So it shouldn't be as much of a pain in the butt. So my parents are just running over and getting a grinder because I don't have one. All I have is a Sawzall, and to put that near this is not a good idea. So they're going to grab that. Then I'm gonna cut the bolt and put the new one on. So as you can see, we got this out after using the Sawzall. And the next step is that we gotta move over to the bench. And we are going to match up the size, which I've already taken care of. You can see that we're matched up in about the same size. Then we just have to tighten these down, which I've already taken care of. Moving ahead a little bit. And you gotta make sure that these are the right direction. Then we're gonna take these, plug them into the end of this, and install it. So. next is to torque them down to spec. And then this side is done. We'll move over to the other side and hopefully have a lot easier of a time. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This one is all done. This side is done, thankfully. I will need to tighten these up again probably before I'm completely done, but we're not gonna throw the tire on just yet. I have another couple projects that are gonna be coming in the next couple days, which I will knock out next weekend when I actually have a day off. So that's this side. Let's move on to the other side once I put on the covers for the Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. I'm almost to 500. I'm at 474 as I speak right now. That job was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. It took a lot longer than it should have. I didn't think I was going to have to cut a bolt, but oh well. So that one's done. We got a couple more parts coming in the mail soon. That'll be able to finish up the job on the suspension. Then next after that, I'm gonna save up money, do brakes, get it painted. Got to get it aligned first before we do the brakes and anything. And be back on the road. So I can't wait. The interior should be in hopefully next week. So that's another video coming. So be sure to stay tuned, comment, like, and subscribe. And you guys have a good day. Be safe.